Most people solve this question like 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 and 1 plus 3 is equal to also 4. So 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. But this answer is not correct. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So in this question, first priority is parentheses. So is equal to 12 divided by 3. Now solve this parenthesis. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Multiply 4. Now division and multiplication both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So first we have to solve division. Is equal to 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Multiply 4. Okay. Now 4 multiply 4 is equal to 16. Okay. So the correct answer is 16.